Good afternoon, student. Today we see next rule, that is integration by parts. By part rule. Part 1, part 2. Rule is that if I equal to integration u into v dx, that is also called product rule. First, as it is integration of second minus integration bracket derivative of u into integration of v dx. Bracket complete dx. This rule also write integration first into second dx equal to first as it is integration of second minus integration derivative of first into integration of second dx. दॅट इज फर्स्ट आणि सेकंड कुणाला म्हणायचं त्यासाठी हा रूल आहे. LIATE. L means logarithmic function. I means inverse function. A means algebraic function. T means trigonometric function. And E means exponential function. Logarithmic means log x, log sin x, log e raised to x. लॉग शब्द आला की त्याला लॉगॅरिथमिक फंक्शन म्हणतात. आपण 11वीला पाहिलेलं आहे टाइप्स ऑफ फंक्शन मध्ये. व्हेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ फंक्शन. लॉगॅरिथमिक फंक्शन. इन्व्हर्सचं एक्झाम्पल आपण sin inverse x, cos inverse x, x raised to minus 1. पॉवर -1 असेल तर त्याला इन्व्हर्स फंक्शन म्हणतात. दॅट इज इन्व्हर्स लॉगॅरिथमिक फंक्शन. नाउ A means algebraic function. Algebraic function, that is x 1 minus 3x x square plus 5 x square minus 5x plus 7. That is called algebraic expression, म्हणजे algebraic function. x constant minus 3x minus 1 x square plus 5 x square minus 5x plus 7. That is algebraic function. Now last one, second last, trigonometric function. Sin x, cos x, tan x, sec x, cosec x, cot x. That is called trigonometric function. Now exponential function. E means exponential function. That is e raised to x, a raised to x, 3 raised to x, 7 raised to x, 7 raised to minus x, 9 raised to minus x, etc. These are 5 types of function we use. That is LIATE. अल्फाबेटिकली ज्याप्रमाणे L आणि A असेल तर लॉगॅरिथमिकला फर्स्ट म्हणायचं, इन्व्हर्सला सेकंड म्हणायचं. फर्स्ट आणि सेकंड कोणाला लेट करायचं त्यासाठी आपण हा LIATE रूल वापरतो. LIATE we use by parts rule. This is also known as integration by part rule. That is product of two function we solve by using this rule. LIAT. For example, I equal to x e raised to x इंटिग्रेशन आपल्याला फाइंड करायचे. त्याच्यात फर्स्ट कोणाला म्हणायचं आणि सेकंड कोणाला म्हणायचं तर व्हॉट इज टू फंक्शन, फर्स्ट वन x, second one e raised to x. X is algebraic function and e raised to x is exponential function. Algebraic and exponential, a and e, that is this is first and this is second, and we use rule integration first into second dx equal to first as it is integration of second and minus integration bracket derivative of first into integration of second bracket complete. See and write in your notebook. See and write in your notebook. That is, we use LIATE rule. L means logarithmic, I means inverse, A means algebraic, T means trigonometric, E means exponential. And we first decide which function is first and which is second and then integrate. Example number 2, integration x sin x into x or x square, sin x into x square dx. I equal to integration sin x is trigonometric function, x square is algebraic function, that is AT, algebraic trigonometric. We take first as algebraic, that is x square is first and sin x is second. We rearrange the term and find integration by parts. That is first as it is integration of second and use rule. Similarly, third one, that is example. Integration sin inverse x into 3x. That is, this is inverse function, this is algebraic function. IA, we use this as first, this as second. IA इन्व्हर्स आणि अल्जेब्रिक आलं तर इन्व्हर्सला फर्स्ट मांडायचं, अल्जेब्रिकला सेकंड. ट्रिग्नॉमेट्रिक आणि अल्जेब्रिक आलं तर अल्जेब्रिकला फर्स्ट, ट्रिग्नॉमेट्रिकला सेकंड लेट करून एक्झाम्पल आपल्याला सोडवता येईल आणि त्याप्रमाणे आपण एक्झाम्पल सोडवणार आहोत. वी सी दॅट इज द रूल ऑफ integration by parts, that is by part rule and solve example. That is example number first. Example number first. Exercise number 3.3. 3.3. Exercise number 3.3. Example first. Integration I equal to integration x into log x or x square into log x. First, we decide which is first function and which is second, or which is u and which is phi. For that, we use rule LIATE, that is x square is algebraic function, and log x is logarithmic function. LIATE, LA. We take logarithmic first, that is I equal to integration log x into x square dx. That is first, that is second. And we use rule, that is UV rule or bipart rule, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 and part 2. That is integration by parts. Integration by parts. First step, decide which is u, which is v, or which is part first and which is part second. Then integration by parts, I equal to integration first into second dx equal to first, as it is integration of second minus integration bracket derivative of first into integration of second. We use this rule, that is I equal to integration log x into x square dx equal to first, as it is integration of second minus integration bracket derivative of first into integration second bracket complete dx. That is equal to log x, as it is integration of x square is x cube by 3, that is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 minus bracket derivative of log x is 1 by x, integration of x square is x cube by 3 bracket complete that dx, and integration as it is x and x cube cancel here 2, that is equal to x cube into log x upon 3 minus 1 by 3 into constant 1 by 3. Integration of x square is x cube by 3 plus c is the answer of given question. Question number first, exercise number 3.3, that is x cube log x upon 3 minus x cube by 9 plus c, x cube by 9 plus c is the answer of given question number first. See over here, that is I equal to x cube log x by 3 minus x cube by 9 plus c. I repeat again. Step number first. We have to find integration x square into log x dx. First we decide which is first, which is second. X square is algebraic function. Log x is logarithmic function. Here Li, here La means L logarithmic is first, algebraic is second. Step first, decide first and second. Step second, use integration by parts. That is, first as it is into integration of second minus integration derivative of first into integration of second dx. That is equal to log x into x square dx. Log x into x square dx equal to first as it is, that is log x as it is, integration of second, integration of x square minus integration derivative of first into integration of second. Bracket complete, and that is इंटिग्रेशन. या इंटिग्रेशनचा dx असा असतो. आणि मग आपण log x ॲज इट इज इंटिग्रेशन x रेस्ट टू n चा फॉर्म्युला यूज केला, x क्यूब अपॉन 3 मायनस ॲज इट इज इंटिग्रेशन ॲज इट इज डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ log x इज 1 by x, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ x स्क्वेअर इज x क्यूब by 3, that is 1 by 3 as it is, and we simplify and we get answer of this question. Question number first, that is integration of x square sin x. Similarly, we solve next example. Example number 3, that is integration by parts, exercise 3.3 number 3. Exercise 3.3, integration x into tan inverse x. We use x is algebraic. X is algebraic function. Tan inverse x is inverse function. Inverse function. We use rule LIATE. Inverse first, algebraic second. That is IA. I is first function, A is second function. That is I equal to integration tan inverse x into x dx. Tan inverse x into x dx. Now, that is first function, x is second function. Now, I equal to first as it is into integration of second minus integration bracket derivative of first into integration of second bracket complete dx. We use integration by parts, that is first as it is integration of second minus integration derivative of first into integration of second bracket complete dx, that is equal to tan inverse x as it is x square by 2 minus integration bracket derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square into x square by 2 bracket complete dx, that is equal to 1 upon 2 bracket x square tan inverse x minus integration x square upon x square plus 1 dx. We take common 1 by 2 from both these terms. Now for this we adjust numerator as plus 1 minus 1 nts. Note this step. For integration of x square upon x square plus 1, we adjust plus 1 and minus 1. That is equal to half integration x square into tan inverse x minus bracket integration x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1 1 dx minus integration 1 upon x square plus 1 dx bracket complete, and that is equal to half bracket x square into tan inverse x minus x minus minus plus integration of dx upon 1 plus x square is tan inverse x plus c is the answer of given question. Question number 3. Question number 3. I equal to x into tan inverse x. See and write in your notebook. That is x into tan inverse x. X into tan inverse x. See step first. Decide whether x is first or tan inverse is second. We use LIATE rule. LIATE rule, that is x is algebraic function, tan inverse x is inverse function. That is IA. We have IA. Inverse is first, algebraic is second. That is, we rearrange this example, that is tan inverse x first and x is second. We use rule by part. First, as it is integration of second, first is tan inverse x, second is x, minus integration bracket derivative of first into integration of second dx. That is, we use formula for x. Integration of x is x square by 2 minus derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square into x square by 2 dx. And 1 upon 2 common. We have x square into tan inverse x, x square upon 1 plus x square. Note this step. We adjust plus 1 and minus 1. We adjust plus 1 and minus 1. Plus 1, bracket complete, minus 1. And simplify. We get result. X square plus 1 upon x square plus 1, 1. Minus 1 upon x square plus 1. What is integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square plus 1? Tan inverse x. Integration of 1 is x. And that minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus. And this is result. Write in your notebook. Write. Simple. And solve other example, that is example number 4, 5 for homework. X into sin x, integration x into sin x. Number 5, integration x square into sin 3x. Number 6, integration log x dx. Number 7, integration log x whole square dx. See and write in your notebook.